See the second type in exercise 1.4. Here first example in this type is, we will find here dy by dx. If x equal to cosec square theta, y equal to cot cube theta, we will find this derivative at x equal to theta equal to 5/6. First of all, we will write, consider given parametric function as it is, x equal to cosec square theta, y equal to cot cube theta. Now here parameter is theta, therefore we will differentiate this parametric function. Differentiate parametric function with respect to which parameter? Theta. Now what will be first derivative? Derivative of x with respect to theta means f of theta raised to n. We will use this formula. F of theta raised to n formula is n into, means power will be into multiplication and power will be subtracted by 1, and into d by d theta of cosec theta. Now derivative of cosec theta is negative, means here we get minus 2 into cosec theta, minus 2 into cosec theta, and cosec theta into cot theta. Derivative of cosec theta is minus cosec theta into cot theta. It's minus 2 as it is, cosec theta into cosec theta, cosec square theta into cot theta. Now we will find our second derivative. Derivative of y with respect to theta is power into multiplication, power is subtracted by 1, and d by d theta of cot theta. Now derivative of cot theta in similar manner, this derivative is negative, means we get minus 3 into cot square theta as it is, and derivative of cot theta is minus sign. We have already written cosec square theta, means minus cosec square theta is derivative of cot theta. Now this is our derivative of these both the two terms. Now we will use our parametric formula to find dy by dx, but we know that dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, can be calculated by which formula? Derivative of y with respect to theta divided by derivative of x with respect to theta. We will substitute these two values here. What is derivative of y with respect to theta? Is minus 3 into cot square theta into cosec square theta. Now what is derivative of x with respect to theta? Minus 2 into cosec square theta into cot theta. Now which term will get cancelled here? Cosec square theta will get cancelled. Negative sign will be get cancelled. 1 cot theta will be get cancelled, means here we get 3 cot theta divided by 2. This will be derivative of y with respect to x. Now we will find out particular value for parameter, means dy by dx at which parameter? At theta equal to 5/6 will be. How we can find this? We will find this by replacing theta by 5/6. Here we get cot 5/6. What is value of cot 5/6? Value of cot 5/6 is √3. Means here we get required value of derivative of y with respect to x at theta equal to 5/6 is 3√3 divided by 2 is our solution of this first example in second type. Now we will see in similar manner second example in second type. Here x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. We will find dy by dx at theta equal to 5/3. We will use the same formula to solve this example. We have written given parametric function as it is. First of all, x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. We will differentiate this parametric function with respect to theta. Now we will find out the first derivative. Derivative of x with respect to theta is a as it is, power into multiplication, power will be subtracted by 1, and we will find derivative of cos theta with respect to theta. Now derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, means a whole expression will be written with minus sign, minus 3 into cos square theta as it is, and derivative of cos theta is we have written here minus sin theta. Now we will find derivative of y with respect to theta. Derivative of second function with respect to theta. What will be derivative in similar manner? Constant as it is, power will be into in multiplication, power of sine cube theta will be subtracted by 1 and into d by d theta sine theta. Now 3a as it is, sine square theta as it is, derivative of sine theta is cos theta. Now we will use our previous formula, dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is value of dy by d theta? Value of numerator is 3a sine square theta, 3a sine square theta into cos theta divided by, what is value of denominator? Minus 3a cos square theta into sine theta. Now 3a will get cancelled, 1 sine theta will get cancelled, 1 cos theta will get cancelled, and only remaining term will be sine divided by cos means tan theta. This is value of dy by dx. Now we will find dy by dx at which parameter? At theta equal to pi by 3. Means we have to substitute here theta by pi by 3. Means which value we get here? Value of tan pi by 3 means value of tan 60 degrees. Root 3 is minus root 3 is required value of dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 3. This is solution of second example in second type. Now in third example, here parameter is changed. Now we will solve this example. First of all, we will write, consider x equal to t square plus t plus 1, y equal to sin pi t divided by 2 plus cos of pi t divided by 2. This is our given parametric function. Now first of all, we will differentiate this x and y with respect to t. Here parameter is our changed. Now what is derivative of x with respect to t? Derivative of x with respect to t is very easy. Derivative of t square is twice t, derivative of t is 1, derivative of 1 is 0. There is no need to write. And second derivative of y with respect to t, we will write here. What is derivative of sin pi t divided by 2? We have to use your formula sin of f of t. Sin of f of t is derivative is cos of f of t, angle as it is, and into d by dt of pi t divided by 2 plus similar manner we will find derivative of cos of pi t divided by 2. It will be negative, means here we will change the sign for second term. It will be minus sin of pi t divided by 2 and again d by dt of pi t divided by 2. Derivative of angle we will write here. Now derivative of pi t divided by 2, derivative of t pi by 2 is constant, derivative of t is 1, means here pi by 2 will be remain. This will be written in first position. Cos of pi t divided by 2 as it is, this will be derivative of first term, minus again in similar term second term also derivative of t is 1, pi by 2 constant as it is, and sine of pi t divided by 2. This will be second differentiation, derivative of y with respect to t. Now parameter is changed here, but we know that dy by dx is, which formula we have to use here? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is value of dy by dt here? Pi by 2 into expression is quite lengthy. Pi by 2 into cos of pi by t divided by 2 minus pi by 2 into sin of pi t divided by 2 divided by twice t plus 1, and again equal to will be in same line for denominator. Now this is derivative of y with respect to x, but we want to value of derivative of y with respect to x at which parameter? At t equal to 1. Means we have to replace t by 1 in this given differentiation. We'll replace t by 1. We'll get here cos of pi by 2, value of t is 1, pi by 2 into sine of, again we get here also pi by 2 because t is 1, divided by 2 into 1 plus 1. Means cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. Means here we get pi by 2 into 0 minus pi by 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1 means 3. Means first term will be 0 minus pi by 2 divided by 3. Means here we get minus pi divided by 6. Minus pi divided by 6. The required value of dy by dx at t equal to 1 is solution of our third example in second type. Now in parameter t we will see the solution of fourth example. Here fourth example is x equal to 2 cos t plus cos of 2t, y equal to sin 2 sin t minus sin of 2t. We will find this dy by dx at t equal to 5 by 4. First of all, we will write in similar manner here given parametric function as it is. Consider x equal to 2 cos t plus cos of 2t, comma y equal to 2 sin t minus sin of 2t. We will differentiate above parametric function with respect to t here. What is derivative of x with respect to t? Here derivative of cos t is minus sin t, means here we get negative sin minus 2 into sin t, plus again in second term also we will get negative sign. Derivative of cosine is minus, is negative sin 2t. Again derivative of twice t is into 2. Means we will write here suppose d by dt of twice t. And in next step we will write differentiation. Minus 2 sin t minus derivative of twice t is 2 into sin 2t. Means cosine term will convert it into sin. And second differentiation in similar manner, di by dt. Derivative of sin t is cos t, minus derivative of sin 2t is cos 2t, again into derivative of twice t is similar manner 2. This is derivative of required differentiation. Now we will write di by dx equal to parametric formula di by dt divided by dx by dt. Now what is derivative of y with respect to t? We will write this in numerator, means di by dx equal to, we get numerator term will be 2 cos t minus 2 cos of 2t. This is value of derivative of numerator. Value of derivative of denominator is minus 2 sin t minus 2 into sin twice t. Now if we take 2 common in numerator, 2 common in denominator, 2 will get cancel. Means value of di by dx we get cos t minus cos of twice t divided by minus sin t minus sin of 2t. Now we will find this value of di by dx at which parameter? At t equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is parameter. So we will replace this t by pi by 4. Means here we get cos pi by 4 minus cos of 2 into pi by 4 divided by minus sin pi by 4 minus sin of 2 into pi by 4. We will write here direct multiplication. Pi by 4 into 2 means here we get pi by 2. Pi by 4 into 2 into we get pi by 2. Now what is value of cos pi by 4? Value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Value of cos pi by 2 is 0 divided by value of sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Value of sin pi by 2 is 1. Means sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4, these two values are 1 by root 2, we have written as it is, and sin pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. Now here we will write 1 by root 2 as it is, cross multiplication, minus 1 minus root 2 divided by root 2 will be cancelled, means here we get minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 2, minus sign will be get common in this case. This is derivative of y with respect to x. What is value here? We have written here. We have written here minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 2. This is value. Again we will simplify this value by taking rationalization of this denominator. We will take rationalization. We will take rationalization here. Now how we can rationalize this? Minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 2 means we have to multiply and divide by opposite term, means opposite term of denominator is 1 minus root 2, means here we get 1 minus root 2 numerator, denominator a plus b into a minus b formula, means here we get 1 square 1 minus root 2 square means 2, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus means plus, means here answer is 1 minus root 2 is required derivative of y with respect to x at t equal to pi by 4 is solution of which example? Solution of fourth example in second. थोड़ा दिखने में तकलीफ हो रही थी, ये नीचे गया था, तो फिर से देखिए इसका कैलकुलेशन. dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4 is minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 2. यहाँ पे रैशनलाइजेशन करके इसको मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो ये एज इट इज आंसर भी हम रख सकते हैं. हाउ यू कैन रैशनलाइज दिस? विल रैशनलाइज दिस बाय मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइडिंग अपोजिट टर्म ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर, मींस minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 2 into 1 minus root 2 divided by 1 minus root 2, minus as it is 1 minus root 2 as it is, a plus b into a minus b. I have used this formula here. 1 square 1 minus root 2 square is 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus sign means here we get plus sign, and final answer we get 1 minus root 2 as required derivative of y with respect to x at t equal to pi by 4. This is complete solution of fourth example. Now the fifth example is x equal to t plus 2 sin pi t, y equal to 3t minus cos of pi t at t equal to 1 by 2. This is very easy example. You can solve in terms of parameter t. We have used formula dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. You have to use this parametric formula in terms of t, and you can easily differentiate dy by, you can easily find out the derivative of y with respect to x by using this parametric formula, and by using value of dy by dx you can easily find the particular value at t equal to 1 by 2. You can see the third and fourth example in terms of parameter t, and you can easily solve the fifth example. This is homework to